Urdu course lesson 4. In this lesson, you will learn use of they and are in Urdu sentences, and I will teach you how to make sentences by using they and are. Let's have a start. In Urdu language, they is wo, and we know with they we always use are. So in Urdu language, are is hain. They are वो हैं. They are वो हैं. Let's see some example. They are वो हैं. Before see an example, we know that in Urdu language, she and he is also वो, as we learned in our lesson 3. So what is the difference? She and they also वो. But we know with they we always use are, which is plural, and with she and he we use is, which is singular. So they are वो हैं, he or she is वो है. So in here the difference is है and हैं. Let's see some example. They are boys, वो लड़के हैं. In here we are using are and translating are as हैं because plural. वो लड़के हैं. Or you can say he is boy, वो लड़का है. लड़का LARKA लड़का. वो लड़का है. So the difference is हैं and है, and in plural noun. Boys plural, and in here boy is singular. So they are boys, वो लड़के हैं. He is boy, वो लड़का है. Let's see some example of they. In this lesson we are only going to discuss about they and are, because in our previous lesson we already learned about he and she. So they are friends, वो दोस्त हैं. Or you can say वो friends हैं. Another example, they are parents, वो parents हैं और वो वालदैन हैं. Another example, they are kids, वो बच्चे हैं. वो kids हैं. You just need to say they and then are and then put any other noun. For example, you say teachers, they are teachers, वो उस्ताद हैं. In Urdu language, teacher is उस्ताद. So वो उस्ताद हैं. They are professors, वो professors हैं. They are doctors, वो doctors हैं. Let's see some another example. They are sibling, वो बहन भाई हैं. They simply वो and are हैं, and in Urdu language sibling is बहन भाई. We know actually sibling mean brother and sister. So therefore in Urdu we simply say बहन भाई, वो sister और brother हैं. They are sibling. Let's see some another example. David and Lena are friends. In this sentence I will also teach you the difference of he and she. For example, you say David is friend. Then how you will say in Urdu? David दोस्त है. We use है, we will not say हैं. David दोस्त है. Lena is friend. Lena दोस्त है. He is friend. वो दोस्त है. Let me write it here. He is friend. He is friend. So we will say वो दोस्त है. But now we are talking about plural because David and Lena are two person and it's become plural. Therefore we will use plural form of are, which is हैं. So David and Lena are friends. David और Lena दोस्त हैं. If it's singular, only David is friend, we will say David दोस्त है. और he is friend, वो दोस्त है. They are friends, वो दोस्त हैं. David and Lena are friends. David and Lena दोस्त हैं. I hope it will help you to understand. Let's see some another example. Another example, they are players. वो खिलाड़ी हैं. If you difficult to pronounce खिलाड़ी, you can still use player. They are players. वो player हैं. Let me know how if we say he is player. How you will say in Urdu? He is player. You will say वो player है. You will use है instead of plural हैं, and है is. So he is player. वो player है. वो खिलाड़ी है. They are players. वो खिलाड़ी हैं. They are students. वो students हैं. He or she is student. वो student है. Let's see some more example. They are shopkeepers. वो shopkeepers हैं. और in उर्दू शॉपकीपर इज़ दुकानदार. वो दुकानदार हैं. इफ सिंगुलर, ही इज़ शॉपकीपर. वो दुकानदार है. दिस इज़ एंड ऑफ द लेसन. इफ यू वांट टू लर्न उर्दू प्रोफेशनली, you can contact us at Skype Urdu Academy Jakarta @gmail.com, or if you have any inquiry or you want to talk about our Skype lessons, you can contact us at WhatsApp. Subscribe us for our next lesson. We teach Urdu language in Latin and Arabic scripts. Have a nice day. See you in the next lesson. Allah Hafiz. You are watching Urdu Academy Jakarta. अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखना. फिर मिलेंगे. अस्सलामु अलैकुम.